CLOUDSALE GS-D4S Headlight Bulbs. I recently had the opportunity to try out the CLOUDSALE GS-D4S Headlight Bulbs, and I must say, I am thoroughly impressed with their performance. As an experienced product marketing expert, I have come across countless headlight bulbs, but these truly stand out from the rest. First and foremost, let's talk about the brand. CLOUDSALE has always been synonymous with quality, and their GS-D4S headlight bulbs are no exception. The brand's commitment to excellence is evident in the construction and design of these bulbs. One of the key aspects of any headlight bulb is its specific uses, and the CLOUDSALE GS-D4S headlight bulbs cater perfectly to this need. Whether you're driving on dark, winding roads or in foggy conditions, these bulbs provide exceptional visibility, ensuring you have a safe and comfortable driving experience. In terms of packaging, the item comes in a convenient single pack, which means you have everything you need in one go.